Lesson 27. Please answer my questions. Also. Do you also enjoy reading as a hobby? Thursday. What do you usually do on a Thursday evening? Witness. Have you ever been a witness to an important event? Stereo. Do you prefer listening to music through headphones or a stereo system? Late. Later. What do you do if you stay up late and can't fall asleep? Okay. Is it okay to take breaks during work or study sessions? Quarter. What do you usually do in the first quarter of the year? Article. Have you read an interesting article recently? Cook, cooker. Do you like to cook new recipes or stick to familiar ones? Shape. How do you stay in shape? Intimate. Do you think it's important to have intimate conversations with close friends? Mine, minor, mining. Have you ever met a miner or visited a mining site? Postpone, put off. What do you usually do if you need to postpone an important meeting? So, why do you think so many people enjoy traveling? Contract. Have you ever signed a contract for a job or a rental agreement? Elevator or lift. Have you ever been stuck in an elevator? Taste. What is your favorite taste sensation? Until. Do you wait until the last minute to finish your tasks? Double. Do you prefer single or double servings of your favorite dessert? Polite, impolite. How do you handle someone being impolite to you? Land. If you could own a piece of land anywhere, where would it be? Prison, jail, prisoner. Have you ever visited a jail as a part of a tour or work? Trouble. What do you do when you're in trouble and need help? Architect, architecture. Do you know anyone who works as an architect? commute, commuter. How long is your daily commute to work or school? Easy, easily. Do you find it easy to learn new skills? Recommend, recommendation. Can you recommend a good book or movie? Together. How often do you spend time together with your family? Value, valuable. What value do you place on honesty in a relationship? Wild, the wild, the wilds. Have you ever had a wild adventure? Thank you for your answers. Have a good time and see you next time. Bye-bye.